to my class. Today's lesson is about alphabets and their sounds. My name is Nicole. I am 6 years old, and in this lesson you'll have to see and say it. Let's start with the first letter A, uppercase A and lowercase a. The sound is ah, ah, ah for apple, apple, apple. Uppercase means capital letters. Lowercase means small letters. Let's go to the next letter. B, uppercase B and lowercase b. The sound is b, b, b for boy, boy, boy. The next letter is C, uppercase C and lowercase c. The sound is k, k, k for cat, cat, cat. The next letter is D, uppercase D and lowercase d. The sound is d, d, d for dog, dog, dog. The next letter is E, uppercase E and lowercase e. The sound is for egg, egg, egg. The next letter is F, uppercase F and lowercase f. The sound is for flower, flower, flower. The next letter is G, uppercase G and lowercase g. The sound is G, G, G for gal, gal, gal. The next letter is H, uppercase H and lowercase h. The sound is for hen, hen, hen. The next letter is I, uppercase I and lowercase I. The sound is for ink, ink, ink. The next letter is J, uppercase J and lowercase j. The sound is J, J, J for jaguar, jaguar, jaguar. The next letter is K, uppercase K and lowercase k. The sound is K, K, K for kettle, kettle, kettle. Did you know A and C are different but their pronunciation is the same? Now you know. The next letter is L, uppercase L and lowercase l. The sound is L, L, L for lion, lion, lion. The next letter is M, uppercase M and lowercase m. The sound is for man, man, man. The next letter is N, uppercase N and lowercase n. The sound is for nas, nas, nas. The next letter is O, uppercase O and lowercase o. The sound is for orange, orange, orange. The next letter is P, uppercase P and lowercase p. The sound is P, P, P for puppy, puppy, puppy. The next letter is Q, uppercase Q and lowercase q. The sound is Q, Q, Q for queen, queen, queen. The next letter is R, uppercase R and lowercase r. The sound is R, R, R for rhino, rhino, rhino. The next letter is S, uppercase S and lowercase s. The sound is S, S, S for sheep, sheep, sheep. The next letter is T, uppercase T and lowercase t. The sound is T, T, T for tiger, tiger, tiger. The next letter is U, uppercase U and lowercase u. The sound is ah, ah, ah. For umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. Did you know A and U are different but the pronunciation is the same? Now you know. The next letter is V, uppercase V and lowercase v. The sound is V, V, V. For van, van, van. The next letter is W, uppercase W and lowercase w. The sound is W, W, W. For woman, woman, woman. The next letter is X, uppercase X and lowercase x. The sound is X, X, X. For Xmas tree, Xmas tree, Xmas tree. The next letter is Y, uppercase Y and lowercase y. The sound is Y, Y, Y. For yacht, yacht, yacht. The next letter is Z, uppercase Z and lowercase z. The sound is Z, Z, Z. For zebra, zebra, zebra. Did you know there are 26 letters in the alphabet from A to Z? Now you know. Hope you enjoyed the lesson today. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel.